Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Chapter 7. Chapter 7, where we have some new vocabulary words: expanded form, hundred, hundreds place, standard form, thousand, and word form. We'll be talking about these throughout the week, or throughout the weeks as we get to working on this. And there's explanations on the back that you can use as flashcards if you want to cut them out and use them like that. I want to talk about lesson 7.1 on page 313. If you don't have your book, if you don't have the right page, go ahead and pause and then get to the right page. And so now I think you're back. Learning target. Identify groups of tens as hundreds. Now, we've been doing our pictures, but I want to show you. I got out my cubes, and let's do this just really quick. I want to count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me make those nice and straight, and I'll stick them all together. So when I have all 10 of them lined up, it's like I have one of these, right? So one line is going to equal 10 cubes. If I pull them apart, there are 10 here. Okay, just like that. We know that I can trade 10 to make it a group of 10, or I can trade a group of 10 into 10 ones. We've been playing with that for the last chapters. We know how to do that. This is just what it looks like when I'm using pieces, when I'm using cubes and sticks. All right, now I want to show you something new. All right, this is a flat. And I want to say that I have 10 to make one stick, but I want to find out how many sticks it takes to make one flat. So let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10. And if I count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well, just like I have a stick to show me 10 of these single cubes, I also have this that shows me 10 of these sticks. So now we have three things that we could draw. We could draw a flat, which we'll draw in a square, a line, or our singles. When I have this is like 100 of these cubes, or it is like 10 of these sticks, right? 100 cubes, 100 squares, 10 sets of 10. All right, so I have tens. I'm sorry, I have 100, I have tens, and I have ones. All right, let me move all of these off here, and we will get started on this. So let's see, how many of these ones are going to be in this set of 100? Well, I have 100. And how many of these sets of 10 are going to take to make this? It's going to take me 10 sets of those 10s. All right, so let's keep going. I have this, and I see it says 10 tens make 100. 10 tens, just like I did with my sticks. When I put them all together, it makes one group of 100. So 10 tens equals 100. And to write that in a number form, my standard form is 100, number form. All right, write how many tens, circle groups of tens, write how many hundreds, then write the number. All right, so there are 3 things that we need to do. Write how many tens. That's the first thing. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 tens. Now, circle groups of 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is our first set of 10. And I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another set of 10, right? 2 tens makes 20. But each of these groups of 10 makes what? It makes 100. If I squished them all together, it would be just like this, and that makes 100. So I have 100, 2 hundreds, 2 hundreds. And then I write the number. How do I write 200? 2 with 0 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. That's 200. All right, here's another one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know I'm going to have to circle my tens. So I'm just going to count them by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another set of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our last set of 10. So how many tens do I have? There are 10 in this group, and 10 in this group, 10 in this group, and 10 in this group. So we count by 10. 10, 20, 30. That's right, 40. So I have 40 tens. How many hundreds? Each time I have a group of 10, that makes 100. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. I could say 100, 200, 300s, 400s. So I have 4 hundreds. I don't have 400 hundreds. I have 4 sets of 100. All right, and to write the whole number, I go down here and I say 400. All right, let's move to the next page. 315, we have this. It says apply and grow. Let's practice. How many tens? Or write how many tens? Circle groups of 10. Write how many hundreds? Then write the number. It's the same instructions that we had over here. I bet you can do it. If you want to pause and do this one and then watch when I come back, or when you turn it back on, go ahead. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since they asked me to circle my tens, I'm going to just do that right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to circle this set of 10. And this set of 10 looks like this. So let me just count, make sure. I'm sure this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was right. It looks like they each have a match. So how many 10s are there? There's 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10? 10, 20, 30. There's 30 tens. And how many hundreds are there? Well, 10 tens makes 100. This is a second set of 10, and this is a third set of 10. So there are 3 hundreds. And when I write that number, it is 300. All right. Let's skip this one just for a second. We may come back to it. It says, dig deeper. How many hundreds are in 700? How many tens? How many hundreds are in 700? And how many tens? Well, boys and girls, you know me. I love drawing pictures. So let's see. How many hundreds are in 700? I'm going to use our new drawing and say that each square is going to equal 100. So how many squares do I need to draw? 700. I need 7 boxes, 7 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many hundreds are in 700? There's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 hundreds in 700. But they also want to know how many tens. So let's take a look. How many tens? Well, I know that each of these sets of 100 have 10 sets of 10. So I can write in here, there are 10 sets of 10. 10 tens, right? 10 tens in here, and there are 10 tens in here, and 10 tens, and 10 tens, and we just keep going. Every single time I see 100, I know that it is the same as 10 tens. And here, 10 tens, and the last one, 10 tens. Here we go. How many tens do I have? Well, here's 10, and another set of 10 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There are 70 tens to make up 7 hundreds. All I had to do was draw my pictures and count my tens. All right. I have a little bit of time left. Let's try this. You have 80 bags of crayons. There are 10 crayons in each bag. How many crayons do you have in all? So I have 80 bags. Boys and girls, do I have room to write 80 or draw 80 bags? I don't think so. Let's think about this. If I have 80 bags, right? 80 bags, and there are 10 in each one, that means that there are 8 sets of 10, right? There are 80 sets of 10, which makes the same as hundreds. I have 70 tens, that makes 7 hundreds. 80 bags, and they each have 10. 80 bags is going to equal 800. And how do I write that? 800 crayons. All right, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later.